Hello learners, welcome to fraction problem. Let's now work out solution. So we'll have 1 over 4 into bracket 3 all over 26 and plus 3 all over 52 to bracket plus 1 over 4 divide by 1 over 2 log 6 over 7 times 4 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3. So the first thing to do is to work out the numerator first, followed by the denominator, then you divide. And we are going to use this method, podmas, or bodmas, where P and B are the brackets, parentheses of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So we are going to start with the numerator. So we'll have the numerator where we have 1 over 4 to bracket 3 over 26 plus 3 over 52 to bracket plus 1 over 4. So we convert 1 over 4 into improper fraction by multiplying 4 times 3, then you add 1. So this gives us 13 over 4. You multiply by 3 over 26 plus 3 over 52 to bracket plus 1 over 4. So open the bracket because it is our first operation, parenthesis, but open it by multiplying 13 over 4 times the value which is inside the bracket. So we'll have 13 over 4 multiply by 3 over 26, then plus 3 over 52 multiply by 13 over 4. So all of this you add plus 1 over 4. So we proceed by simplifying. So by 13 1 by 13 2. So here we are left with 3 over 8, then plus 3 over 52 times 13 over 4. We have by 13 1 by 13 4. Again we are left with 3 times 3 over 4 times 4 is 16, then plus 1 over 4. Since here we have only one operation, that is plus, so we can proceed and find the LCM of 8, 16 and 4, which is 16. If you take 16 divided by 8, you get 2 times 3, you get 6, then plus 16 divided by 16, it is 1, plus times 3, you get 3, then plus 16 divided by 4 is 4 times 1 is 4. So here we get, this is 13 over 16. This is the value for the numerator. Now let's work out the denominators. We have half of 6 over 7 multiplied by 4 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3. So our first operation here is off, since we don't have the parentheses. So we start by working it out. So we have off 6 over 7 times convert 4 2 over 3 into improper fraction. This gives us 12 14 over 3 minus 1 over 3. We simplify this. This off sign becomes multiplication, so we multiply by 6 over 7, then times 14 over 3 minus 1 over 3. From there, we simplify this by 2, 1 by 2 get 3. So we'll have 3 over 7 times 14 over 3 minus 1 over 3. We have two operations here, multiplication and subtraction. So multiplication comes first before the subtraction, so we multiply. So we put this to bracket, so we solve this. We get by 7 1 by 7 2, we get by 3 1 by 3 1. So we'll have 2 over 1 minus 1 over 3. So we can work this out by finding the LCM of 1 and 3, and this is 3. Divide by 3, you get 1. You get 3, sorry. Multiply by 2, get 6. Then minus 3, divide by 3, 1. Times 1, you get 1. If you subtract, you get 5 all over 3. This is now the value for the denominator. We proceed. So we have the numerator, which is 13 all over 16, divide by 5 all over 3, since all over means the division. So this gives us 13 all over 16 multiplied by the reciprocal of 5 over 3, which is 3 all over 5. So there is no common factor, so we multiply the numerator, which is 13 times 3. We get 39 all over 16 times 5, 80. And this is the final answer for that problem. Thank you.